Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a black line above footer in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Then we go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Then we can see here show the all page at once. Then go to the master page, enable the master page and double click on the master page. Then select the frame text tool and draw a text frame bottom of the page. Then write our footer text. Now we can see we add a footer text. You can change the color. Select this font color option and change the color. Now I am select black. Now I am align the center. Now we want to add black line above the text. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle above the footer text. Now I am change the fill color, make black. Then go to the window menu and enable the layer option. Then lock the line layer and text layer. Then disable the master page and double click on the main page. Then check the all page. Now we can see we add black line above footer very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.